Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to open PSD files in Photopea step by step. If you don't have Adobe Photoshop, Photopea is a free online editor that lets you open and edit PSD files directly in your web browser. First, open your preferred web browser and go to photopea.com. Wait for the editor to load completely. You don't need to install any software or create an account to get started. Now, click on asterisk file in the top left corner and choose asterisk open asterisk asterisk. Browse to the location where your PSD file is saved, select it, and click asterisk open asterisk asterisk. You can also drag and drop your PSD file directly into the Photopea window. After the file opens, you'll see all of your layers in the Layers panel on the right side, just like in Photoshop. You can edit text, move objects, change colors, crop the image, add new layers, remove backgrounds, or apply effects without losing the original layer structure. If a font used in the PSD file isn't installed, Photopea may replace it with a similar font. You can install the missing font later or choose another font from the text tool. When you've finished editing, click asterisk asterisk file asterisk asterisk, then save as PSD asterisk if you want to keep all the layers for future editing. If you need a final image for sharing online, click asterisk asterisk file asterisk asterisk, then export as asterisk, and choose a format like PNG, JPG, or WebP. Adjust the export settings if needed, then click asterisk save asterisk asterisk to download the image to your computer. That's all there is to opening and editing PSD files in Photopea. It's fast, free, and works on Windows, Mac, Linux, and even Chromebooks without installing any software. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Photopea tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.